Dr. Trust USA Signature Series Fingertip Pulse Oximeter is based on all digital technology and is intended for non-invasive spot check measurement of functional oxygen saturation of arterial hemoglobin. The colored OLED display looks brilliant and has simultaneous display for testing value and plethysmogram. The brightness can be adjusted from level 1 to 5. The oximeter can measure low perfusion down to 0.2%. The product can be used in hospitals, including clinical use in surgery, anesthesia, pediatrics, and intensive care. The product is also suitable for home monitoring, as well as for sports professionals. Display can rotate in 4 different directions. You can manually adjust the direction of the interface. 6 display modes. The product is accurate and is clinically validated. The product has an advanced DSP algorithm that can diminish the influence of motion artifact and improve measurement accuracy of low perfusion. The product will automatically be powered off if no finger is detected for more than 16 seconds. The oximeter can be used to measure human hemoglobin saturation, perfusion index, and heart rate through the finger. The product is lightweight for carrying and easy to use, and comes with a lanyard. It includes a visual alarm function for real-time spot checks. The default upper limit for hemoglobin saturation is 100, and the bottom limit is 90. The default limit for pulse rate is 130, and the lower limit is 50. The alarm function can be turned on or off, and the high-low limits of alarm function for hemoglobin saturation and pulse rate can also be changed as per the patient's requirements. We also recommend reading the manual provided with the product for safety information and product troubleshooting. Thanks for watching.
Dr. Trust. Trusted for life.